All right, everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kyo. Today we are making a Korean style spicy barbecue chicken. It's super easy, super simple to make, and extremely delicious. So you can use this as like a main dish. You can put it with some rice, some kimchi or something like that. You can make lettuce wraps with it. You could put it on top of a salad. You can do whatever you want with it, but whatever you do with it, you got to learn how to make it. So let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we'll start with the marinade. I've got 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water, and then we're doing 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. And then we're doing 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 4 tablespoons of white sugar. And you can use brown sugar if you want. It would actually just give it a little more caramelization on the chicken, which is not a bad thing at all. That would actually be really good. It's just whatever you have on hand. Either one's going to be delicious. All right, so once you've got all that whisked together, now we're going to go in with, I've got about 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs here. I just trimmed them up a little bit. There's a lot of fat on the top. You can leave it if you want, but I like to trim mine up a little bit. And then we're just going to make sure that all of that is covered in that marinade. What I like to do is put a paper towel on top and just make sure that the paper towel is completely submerged in the marinade, and that's going to make sure that the chicken is completely covered as well while you put that in the fridge and let it go for anywhere from, I would say, minimum 2 hours, but I like to do mine overnight. So 12 to 24 hours in the refrigerator before taking it out to grill it. All right, for this sweet and spicy Korean barbecue sauce, we're going with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, or you can use white vinegar if you don't have that. And then we're going to go in with 2 to 3 tablespoons of gochujang, just depends on how spicy you want it. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of sriracha and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And the last ingredient, and this one actually really stands out a lot, is just a teaspoon of sesame oil. We're going to give that a quick whisk and set it off to the side. All right, so I've got my grill cranked up to 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna throw those chicken thighs on there, close the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes, come back, give them a flip, and do the same thing, close the lid again for another 2 to 3 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, and then I will pull them off and take them inside. And if you don't have a grill, or if you can't grill at your house, I understand. You can do these in a pan if you want. You can just cook them in a pan with a little bit of oil, or you could even bake them in the oven. I've done that as well. It's actually really good. Just turn the oven up to about 400 and 425 degrees, somewhere around there. And you're gonna cook these things on a baking sheet with a little bit of cooking spray, and for about 20 minutes, and they'll come out completely fine. So that's just an option if you don't have a grill. If you do have a grill, I recommend that because you're going to get that really good grilled chard flavor off of that. So as you can see here, I just let them rest a little bit, and now I'm cutting them up into small little cube pieces. All right, so there we go. Final step, we're just gonna put these in a pan over medium-high heat and pour that sauce on. And then we're just gonna give it a good toss, make sure that that sauce is coated all over the chicken. With that a little bit of sugar that's in there, it's gonna help caramelize over the chicken. Just let it simmer for a little while. This comes out really good. It's so simple. Like I said, if you don't have a grill, or if you don't wanna go out and grill these, you can definitely cook them in a pan, or you can bake them in the oven. Like I said earlier, they're still gonna come out delicious. That marinade on the chicken is so good. It just penetrates all the way through the meat. And then that spicy, sweet sauce is delicious as well. I like to serve this over some rice, top with a little bit of green onion, some sesame seed, and you're good to go. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. And comment down below and let me see what recipes you want to see in the future. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.